Hey guys, go join my Patreon right now for a chance to win this awesome Darth Maul Black Series action figure. Anyone from any tier can have a chance to win. You also get exclusive benefits like exclusive content, videos like these. So go ahead and sign up now. Let's get into the tutorial. Enjoy. Alright guys, at time of recording, my nose is a little nasally, so sorry if I sound a little sick, but we're gonna jump into this by drawing the nose piece of Vader and then drawing the triangular respirator. From there, we'll move on to the nose and then the side of Vader's mask. Next is Vader's eyes, and I always have a hard time drawing Vader's eyes, so I'm probably going to mess up a couple times while doing this video, but I don't know why. They're just so difficult. It's like you expect someone so angry and evil to just have these menacing eyes, but instead they're kind of bubbly and circular, so I always have a hard time drawing them. From there, we'll also add the cone head thing that Vader has that seals his mask shut, and also going to mess up on this a couple times. Very difficult to draw this one. From here, we're just gonna make some little touch-ups to the mask and the eyes, and then you'll see me add some of these little eyebrow-shaped creases in the cone that make Vader look a little angrier. I went ahead and made the respirator a little bit smaller. I just felt it was a little bit too large, and so we're going to go ahead and add in those lines for a second time, and then also add the grilling that is within the mouthpiece. Next is the neck, and I went ahead and drew in the shoulder parts just so I can see where I want Vader's shoulders to rest. And what we're going to do is kind of do a slope down and then a slope into the cone-shaped part of Vader's helmet, and it kind of makes him look like he's leaning his neck forward, but it's accurate. And then I wanted to do a super dramatic kind of Marvel Comics version of Vader, so I made his cape very blowy in the wind and kind of epic, like he's on a Tatooine desert on a sandstorm. Now that we have our epic cape, we're going to go ahead and add in the armor that lies underneath the cape. Make sure that your Vader has very broad and wide shoulders. Vader is like, I'm pretty sure almost 8 feet tall, so make sure that he looks big in this sketch. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in some wrinkles to the cape, just to make it look a little bit more real, and we'll add some folds and all that stuff, like the wind is really catching it. Now this is a really fun part for me. When it comes to shading Vader's armor, it's a lot easier to just draw in random geometric shapes and then add some shading in it to make it look like that shiny metallic look. Now that we have our shading done, I'm just gonna go through and darken some lines, make some lines stand out a little bit more to bring some more definition to our Vader and some sharpness, some edginess, just to make all those little details pop. Don't forget to sign your artwork, and that will complete our Vader drawing. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I was really excited to get this one out because of Kenobi and us seeing those first 2 episodes. At time of recording, haven't seen them yet. I'm gonna watch them tonight. They come out at 3 a.m., technically the following day, but I'm not gonna be sleeping, so it feels like today for me. I cannot wait. Thanks for watching. May the Force be with you, always.